here.
Again.
Don't fight here.
You should ask me.
You should ask me.
Don't stop me.
Don't stop me.
Let
Let them speak.
use your body language.
Let them speak.
Let them
Why are you going?
loudly.
Why are you going?
She disturbed me.
She disturbed.
I'm coming.
Where are you coming?
Where are you coming?
Why are you coming?
Why are you coming?
Why do you again?
What do you do?
I do job
I do job.
again.
I do job.
Are you excited, mister?
Okay, excited.
So you don't know what we are going to do, okay? So you have to do similar acting as I do, okay? One by one I will come to each and I will ask some question to everyone, okay? You have to just do acting for yourself, okay? You have to do acting as me, that what I'm going to do, you have to also do similar thing is that, okay? No need to think about more, okay? So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I speak English.
I am speaking. I have to speak English.
I speak English. What I am speaking, speak similar as it is. Okay. You put out your hands out and come here. Okay. Speak. I speak English.
I am speaking. अच्छा.
Okay. I speak English.
I speak English.
Use your hand movement proper. How I am doing? Do same acting. I speak English.
I speak English.
Loudly.
I speak English.
Again.
I speak English.
Show your angerness.
Show your angerness. शुरुआत उधर से करें जब
I speak English.
I speak English.
No, use your hand movement. I speak English.
I speak English.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Like how I am doing, जैसा मैं कर रहा हूँ उसी तरीके से आप अपने हैंड मूवमेंट्स को करिए और बॉडी लैंग्वेज का यूज करिए. I don't speak English.
I don't speak English.
Why don't you speak English?
Why don't you speak English?
Again,
Why don't you speak English?
you should speak English.
You should speak English.
I want to speak English.
I want to speak English.
My brother wants to speak English.
My brother want to speak English.
Do you want to speak English?
Do you want to speak English?
I want to speak English.
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 I have to speak
I
English.
have to speak English.
I have to speak
I
English.
have to speak English.
Again,
Again, I have to speak English.
loudly.
I have to speak English.
That's why.
That's why.
Use your body language little, okay? Use your emotion, okay? That's why.
That's why.
Loudly.
That's why.
Again,
That's why.
I attend the class.
I attend the class.
You don't attend the class.
You don't attend the class.
Again,
You don't attend the class.
you don't attend the class.
You don't attend the class.
Why don't you attend the class?
Why don't attend the class?
Why don't you attend the class?
Why don't you attend the class?
Don't laugh.
Don't laugh.
Again,
Don't laugh.
I don't laugh at you.
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 But
But
I saw you
I saw you.
loudly.
I saw you.
You were laughing at
You-
me.
You were laughing at me.
Again,
You were laughing at me.
I was not laughing at you.
I was not laughing at you.
I was discussing with my friend.
I was discussing my friend.
Loudly come here.
I was
Come here.
discussing my friend.
I was discussing.
I was discussing.
Again,
I was discussing.
you can ask to her.
You can ask to her.
Yes, she was discussing with me.
Yes, he was discussing with me.
That's why.
That's why.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Why do you shout?
Why do you shout?
Loudly.
Why do you shout?
Again,
Why do you shout?
don't fight here.
Don't fight here.
No, don't fight here.
Don't fight here.
Again,
Don't fight here.
loudly.
Don't fight here.
Don't make a fuss.
Don't make a fuss.
Again,
Don't make a fuss.
what is your intention?
What is your intention?
My intention is to speak English.
My intention is to speak English.
Again,
My intention is to speak English.
that's why
That's why.
I'm going.
I am going.
Are you going?
Are you going?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Loudly.
Where are you going?
I'm going to market.
I'm going to market.
You should ask me.
You should ask me.
Don't stop me.
Don't stop me.
Let them speak.
Let them speak.
Speak. Let them speak.
Let them speak.
Use your body language.
Let them speak.
Let them speak.
Let them speak.
Again.
Again.
Let them speak.
Let them speak.
Again.
Let them speak.
Are you coming?
Are you coming?
Why are you coming?
Why are you coming?
What do you want?
What do you want?
Again.
What do you want?
Did you want to come?
Did you want to come?
I wanted to come.
I wanted to come,
But
but
he didn't let me come.
he didn't let me come.
It's not my mistake.
It's not my mistake.
Use energy, yaar. It's not my mistake.
It's not my mistake.
Don't shout at me.
Don't shout at me.
I'm not shouting.
I'm not shouting.
You are shouting.
You are shouting.
Why do you shout?
Why do you shout?
What do you do?
What do you do?
Where do you live?
Why do you leave?
Where do you live?
Where do you leave?
Use your hand.
Where
more.
did you leave?
Where do you live?
Where do you leave?
What do you want?
What do you want?
Are you coming?
Are you coming?
Why are you coming?
Why are you coming?
Why are you asking?
Why are you asking?
Again,
Why are you asking?
let me speak.
Let me speak.
Let me explain.
Let me explain.
Why don't you let me
Why
explain?
don't you let me explain?
You can explain
You can explain.
loudly.
You can explain.
Again,
You can explain.
you can explain.
You can explain.
Use like that. You can explain.
You can explain.
I'm explaining.
I'm explaining.
I'm going.
I'm going.
Loudly.
I'm going.
Why are you going?
Why are you going?
Again.
Why are you going?
Loudly.
Why are you going?
She disturbed me.
She disturbed me.
Loudly.
She disturbed me.
Don't shout at me.
Don't shout at me.
Don't shout at him.
Don't shout at him.
Again.
Don't shout at him.
Does he shout?
Does he shout?
Does he shout?
Does he shout?
Again.
Does he shout?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Loudly.
I don't know.
Use your hand.
I don't know.
Don't ask me.
Don't ask me.
Let me stand.
Let me stand.
Let me go.
Let me go.
Let me come.
Let me come.
Are you coming?
Are you coming?
I'm coming.
I'm coming.
Where are you coming?
Where are you coming?
Why are you coming?
Why are you coming?
Why do you speak?
Why do you speak?
Why do you ask?
Why do you ask?
Why do you shout?
Why do you shout?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Don't let me go.
Don't let me go.
Loudly.
Loudly.
Again.
Again.
Speak loudly.
Speak loudly.
I'm coming.
I am coming.
Let me sit.
Let me sit.
What do you do?
What do you do?
Again.
What do you do?
Again.
What do you do?
I do job.
I do job.
Again.
I do job.
Where do you do job?
Where do you do job?
I
do job at Nandagiri.
loudly.
I do job at Nandagiri.
I'm not asking.
I'm not asking.
What is your intention?
What is your intention?
How do you go?
How do you go?
Loudly.
How do you go?
Again.
How do you go?
I don't want to tell you.
I do want to
I
tell
I
you.
don't want to tell you.
I don't want to tell you.
But
But
don't tell lie.
don't tell lie.
Why do you tell lie? Why do you tell lie?
Why do you tell lie?
Loudly.
Why do you tell lie?
Again.
Why do you tell lie?
What is your intention?
What is your intention?
I saw you.
I saw you.
I saw you smoking.
I saw you smoking.
How dare you?
How dare you?
Where did you see me?
Where do you see me?
Where did you see me?
Where did you see me?
Loudly.
Where did you see me?
Where did you see me smoking?
Where did you see me smoking?
I saw you
I saw you
at Nandnagri.
at Nandnagri.
Loudly.
At Nandnagri. I saw you at Nandnagri.
Don't tell lie.
Don't tell lie.
Loudly.
Don't tell lie.
Let me explain.
Let me explain.
Explain.
Explain. Please explain.
Where I were smoking.
Where I were smoking?
Loudly.
Where I were smoking?
Don't tell lie.
Don't tell lie.
Loudly.
Don't tell lie.
You were with your friend.
You are with your friend.
I saw you.
I saw you.
I saw you.
I saw you.
Don't tell lie.
Don't tell lie.
You are cheater.
You are a cheater.
You are liar.
You are a liar.
How dare you?
How dare you?
Loudly.
How dare you?
Don't blame.
Don't blame on me.
Loudly.
Don't blame on me.
I'm coming.
I'm coming.
I complained you.
I complain you.
How dare you?
How dare you?
I know.
I know.
You smoke.
You smoke.
Don't tell lie.
Don't tell lie.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the why we did this thing. Because of that, we want to confidence level high. So, it is a reality that without English we can't survive. So, why not we can do hard work for it? Today I'm doing with you, but tomorrow you have to do on yourself. So be ready. Try to speak more. And don't think about कि बोला जाएगा नहीं बोला जाएगा. Okay? अरे बोला जाएगा नहीं बोला जाएगा ये कैसे आप बता सकते हैं? ये आपकी मेहनत बताएगी क्योंकि हार्ड वर्क पेस ऑफ. सो आप सभी लोगों को जबरदस्त तरीके से मेहनत करनी है. अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज का यूज करना है. जब भी बातचीत करिए तो बॉडी लैंग्वेज का यूज कीजिए, अपने हैंड मूवमेंट्स का यूज कीजिए, एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड के साथ. देखिए जब आप किसी से बात करते हैं, जैसे मान लीजिए ऐसे की बात करें, हेलो माय नेम इज दिस, और एक हेलो सर माय नेम इज दिस, तो किस में ज्यादा टेंशन मिलेगी? इस वाले में, सेकंड वाले में हेलो एवरीवन दिस इज. सो आपका इसी एटीट्यूड है. नहीं हेलो एवरीवन माय नेम इज पुष्पा राज. आपको प्रॉपर तरीके से बोलना होगा हेलो एवरीवन माय नेम इज पुष्पा राज. तो सोचिए कितनी अटेंशन आप सीख कर रहे हैं. आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस. देखिए क्या होगा, गलत होगा ना, लेकिन सोचिए अगर आप गलत एक कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल से बोलेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं वो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड होगा. लेकिन अगर आपको पता है मेरी गलती है और आप स्लोली बोलेंगे, दूसरा इंसान नोटिस करेगा क्योंकि आप डाउन हो गए वहां पर. गलती है, that's okay, but I have to prove it. I have to show my attitude. So try to speak much better. Okay, everyone? Next time we will do more thing. Try to do.